Life's so busy, isn't it? Bringing the kids to school, getting to work on time, getting the groceries. We're all trying to reach our destination, and often it's hard to find time to take some time out for ourselves, let alone take care of our vehicles. We've all been there before, putting off the oil changes or trying to save a little money by opting for a cheaper engine lubricant, not finding the time to drain the oil once in a while. If your vehicle is working, it's easy to take it for granted. Maintenance of your car or motorcycle can wait for another day. We get that. We understand that you rely upon your vehicle, but sooner or later it's going to need some attention. Using cheap mineral oils or just abusing good quality oils for too long can leave unwanted residues in your engine, which can reduce the power and fuel efficiency of your car or motorcycle. This slows you down and can ultimately lead to engine failure, usually when you least expect it. And by then, well, it's too late. That's why Motul developed Engine Clean. Motul Engine Clean has a specially formulated detergent-based formula. Just one bottle will thoroughly clean your entire engine. We call this the Motul difference. If you've been using non-fully synthetic engine lubricants, non-Motul products, cheaper oils, or even postponing your oil changes, the chances are your vehicle is already suffering the effects of unwanted engine deposits. If that's the case, it's time your engine experienced the superior quality of Motul Engine Clean, and it's time that you experience the Motul difference. What's more, unlike other solvent-based engine cleaners, our formulation of fresh additives and special dispersants ensures prolonged engine life and restores engine power for your car or motorcycle. And Motul Engine Clean contains no hazardous solvents, which makes them safe to use with every oil change. Motul Engine Clean keeps your car or motorbike running better and lasting longer, so you can worry less about your journey and more about your destination.